Hey everyone, it's Katherine. In today's video, I'm gonna be showing you how I'm gonna repot my prayer plant because she is in desperate need. As you can see, she's super root bound. And this pot is so small, it's only 2 inch, pardon me. And I got it about 3 weeks ago from the grocery store. And it was $3.99, and I'll show you guys how much it's growing in those 2 weeks. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. I'm gonna be taking a 4-inch pot that's already filled with soil. I'm gonna have to empty some, but I'll show you guys that when I do this. So to get him out of his pot, I'm just gonna squeeze and twist. And yeah, you can tell that she is pretty root bound. Just gonna loosen up some of the roots so then they can find new places to go in their new pot and grow nice and long. And then I'm just gonna plant it back to the soil line that it was at before. And then just water it and put it back where it was before and let it grow. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you want to see some more plant videos like this, and comment below. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye!